Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and immediately saving a backup copy because you will change live data. Once done, enable editing and show the formula bar so you can see cell contents. You then select the Target Sheet tab and use Ctrl+F to jump to the exact range. This speeds the change process. Make sure to note formats, dates versus text, so changes don't corrupt values. Now, pick the first cell and prepare to apply the transformation you planned. You now perform the actual edits. Enter and test formulas in a spare column to transform values. Use trim, value, or text to normalize content. Once results look correct, copy the new column and paste special right arrow values over the originals, then paste special right arrow formats if needed. Make sure to use $absolute references when copying formulas across rows. If changing many rows, filter the range and apply changes in batches. This reduces mistakes and lets you verify a sample before committing. You finish by validating and securing your work. First, spot check several samples and use conditional formatting to highlight outliers or unexpected blanks. Once satisfied, save as a new version so you keep a clear history, then apply Protect Sheet with a simple password if others will access the file. If something looks wrong afterward, revert immediately. Press Undo or reopen the backup copy you made earlier. A key troubleshooting tip: if formulas break, check cell formats and absolute references before redoing changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.